Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making a scarf necklace and you're welcome to join me. Say hello to today's stars, these two tiny hands. Come on, look at them. Are they not the cutest? The second I saw them, I knew they had to be part of my next necklace. We'll start like always. Grab your beading needle and cut about 60 inches of thread. Or, if you're using our kit, we've already pre-measured everything for you. Now let's thread the needle. If you get it on the first try, congrats, I can't relate. Next up is our tiny little crimp bead. This metal bead is what keeps your thread nice and secure. Before we crimp it, leave yourself a little tail, about 3 to 4 inches, you will need it later. Grab your pliers, give it one nice confident squeeze, and we're good. Now let's add the crimp cover. Slide the crimp cover on and hide the crimp bead inside. Fit the tail back through the crimp. I'm just adding a couple of knots to secure the thread. Close the crimp cover. Add a jump ring and attach our first little hand. One hand down, one to go. Grab your needle and let's start adding our white beads. This is the relaxing part. Think of it as a bit therapy, or if you're like me, this is the perfect time to put on a show. Keep adding beads until you reach the length you want. How long should it be? Girl, totally up to you. Since this is a scarf necklace, I like mine long enough to wrap around my neck, with the little hands hanging down on each side. Almost there. Alright, time to finish it off. We are going to do the same thing on the other side. Add the crimp cover, thread on the crimp bead, pull everything snug and give it a squeeze. Fit the tail back through the crimp. Now for the tails. I like using the knot method. Tie a couple of knots right behind the crimp. Then thread the tail through a few beads. Tie another couple of knots. Then run it through a few more beads. It only takes an extra minute, but it will help keep everything nice and secure. Close the crimp cover, add another jump ring, attach our second little hand, well, that's it. We made it. Our scarf necklace is officially finished. I also made another version. This one's red with a different pair of hands, in case you have something against X. Go ahead, wrap it around your neck and let your little hands steal the show.